Odds are you'll never need a 30-member transplant team. You're the region's only level 4 epilepsy center. Chances are you'll never need a cancer center that has some of the highest cancer survival rates in Kentucky.